5 secrets to cleaning your home in half the time. 1. Have a system. That means cleaning the house in the same order every time, working one room at a time, starting and finishing at the same spot in a room so that you don't waste time running back and forth. 2. Clean top to bottom, left to right. Start at the top of the room, such as dusting a ceiling fan, and work down to the floor to eliminate redundant work. 3. Squeegee windows for a streak-free finish. Place a drop of dish soap in a gallon of water, wipe it generously on the window with a cloth, then squeegee it off. Go top to bottom and wipe the blade each time at the bottom. 4. Keep proper tools at the ready. Having all the tools and cleaning products you need at arm's reach means you won't waste time walking back and forth to the cabinet under the sink. 5. Get proactive. The best way to keep a clean home is to stop some problems before they begin.